saying it, but today we're gonna be doing another hack the box challenge, and the challenge we're gonna be doing today is gonna be called LogJammer. So it says you have been presented with the opportunity to work as a junior DFIR consultant for a big consultancy. However, they provided a technical assessment for you to complete. The consultancy for real would like to gauge your window event log analysis knowledge. We believe a cyber junkie user logged into this computer may have taken malicious actions. Please analyze the event logs and report back. So it says, when did the cyber junkie user first successfully log into this computer? So when you look up first, like successful login to the computer, you want to control C it, and then you go to the event page right here, and then you look up for event ID since we're looking at IS window logs. And it says right here, when the window event ID 4624 indicates a successful login. So we go back right here, and this is what I filter out for in security events. I filter out for 4624. But if I guess restart this whole thing again, security events, we can just do this again. Or was it? I think it was system events. What was it? Security. That was not this. Nope. Security events. 4624. And now if we look within here, alright, security events 4624. Now we look within each log, we can see the user that was signed in this case, target username system, which is what we don't want to see. And we keep on doing this until we get the one that we want. It says target username cyber junkie, so we include all these. And it says, well, when did the user first successfully log into this computer? So we look at the first time that we see, which is this one. And then since it converts it to our time, we want to look at the UTC time that they have. Let's see if this time works. If not, we might need to adjust it. Submit. And it didn't. So window event log and UTC. Convert to UTC. Login, 337 4732. Is there like the raw log events? 4624. Zero 09. If we just grab this one just for fun. I guess this is the thing. Is there a comma? No, there isn't. Oh, so maybe that's what's throwing it off. Like that. 473709. So 12. Let's just assume 12. No, that can't be. ChatGPT. Let's try one of these. 1437. Hopefully one of these work. 14. What was the other one? 15 and 11. 15 and 11. 15 and 11. 3723. It's 14. Yeah, it should be that. Let's see. Day, month. Oh shit. Day and month. So 27 03. Let's try the first one. 14 37. Okay, we gotta pay more attention. So it says the user tampered with the firewall settings on the system. Analyze the firewall event logs to find out the name of the firewall rule added. So we had to look at the firewall event, and then now this is where things get a little bit more trickier. It says we gotta look up, I guess, window event log for firewall rule added. For this 4946. 4946. So firewall rule, and then event ID, we get a bunch of them. And then we don't get that, but we do get 2000. We only get numbers in the 2000 range. (2004). Rule has been added to the window firewall. So 2004. Which is still a lot. And it says right here. Around that same time, which was around 0327. 03. So it's probably right here. A message. Find anything? Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge. Let's play C2 bypass. Now that's something that's like different. What direction of the firewall rule? Direction. Is there a direction? 2. What's direction? What is direction 2? Outbound. So just copy that. Outbound. Which makes sense. So the user changed the audit policy of the computer. So user changed audit policy of the computer. What window event ID is this? Is 4719. Policy change 4719. And then is there an audit log? No, but that's firewall, so it's not gonna be that. So security, it might be in security. What is it? 4719. 4719. And then it says, what's the thing? The user, what is the subcategory of this change policy? Subcategory, subcategory ID. What's this? Subcategory. Oh, subcategory is GUID, which this will make it a lot more. The identity convents. What's the subcategory ID? Subcategory name. It doesn't tell me the full-on feature, so it makes it kind of annoying. Oh wait, ChatGPT. Audit policy change. The one it says right here. Subcategory. Audits. Other objects access events. Maybe. What is the name of the scheduled task? Okay, so I guess that was correct. So go back right here. Event ID 4698. So go back right here, 4698. And then it says, what is the name of this task? Task name, hack the box automation. I'm not gonna sure if they're gonna want the slash, but I'm gonna put. What is the name which was scheduled for the task? Task name. Right there. What is the full path? What is the argument of the command? Okay, right here. Arguments is this. -A. The antivirus identifies a threat which tool was activated by the antivirus. So antivirus is gonna be on Windows Defender. Let's see if there's. And then we just got information. Oh, now we got a bunch of warnings. So start with the first one. Trojan. I guess level 4. I guess not 4. Level 3. Interpreter. Unknown. Severe. But they don't tell me the name of the stuff that's getting caught. Let's see what this is. Trojan. It just says Trojan, but doesn't say the name of it, which makes it a little bit more difficult to trap. But we could go around the same time of the event where it happens at 3:27, which is right here. And then Sharp Hound. Okay, then we go back right here. What is the full path? Which raised the alert? So go back right here. Donald Sharp Hound. What action was taken by the antivirus? It was action name not applicable. Huh. Action. Control F. Action. Let's check the next one. Well, what's action ID 9? Well, we're looking at error, so wait, warning. So what if we go back to here, but we go look at the events that happened right here, 27. $41. Nope. Quarantine. I said quarantined it. Quarantine. The user user policy what command was executed by the user. So PowerShell operational 3:27. Oh, there wasn't none right here. Oh wait. 3:27. But it was around like 7:30 something. I think that's a little bit more tricky. Oh, there's more commands. Oh. Enter what command was executed by the user. Huh. Payload. I'm assuming they ran the command. Act the box automation value input object. Get stream hash. Oh, okay. What command was used by the event log? So it's probably gonna be get file hash, and then from here we just put in that command. So I'm assuming it's just this get file hash, and then just try getting this value right here. So hopefully this will solve it. Or get file hash. Oh, MD5. That's where the value was added. MD5 too. So we just put delete that space. Go back right here. Get this file hash, and after that we probably need to add a little bit more, so then that we could be able to do this. So let's see if we could find something about this event. Oh, algorithm. That's like an input one too. So we just put space right there, algorithm, and submit it. Get file hash. Oh, dash algorithm. Because it's a. Okay, we suspect which event log was cleared up. So go right here, and then I think this is gonna tell us what event logs to look for. So we just click that, and it says 1102. So we just go back right here. So we just gotta look for 1102, 1101, 1102, 111, nothing. PowerShell is probably not gonna have nothing. Yeah. 11102, 111, nothing. System. One 1102, nothing. Security events, maybe. Oh, 11102 right there. It's gonna tell us remove that file path. Logs files create, log file clears. Log file user data source. window event log. Payload. What's this? Subject user ID. Copy that. So subject username, so it's gonna be Windows event log ID map. Oh, information. We'll probably look at this. So task 104. Is there more we could get off of this? So we go to security 1102 1102 Windows event log. And it doesn't give us that much. So yeah, it doesn't give us that much. Hopefully there's something in system. 1102 11102 nothing. 11102 11102 nothing. But yeah, it doesn't give us that much as this. Vet logs. It's not generating us nothing. One 11102 was cleared, but it's not saying which one. Log file clear, user ID, domain name. Yeah, it's not giving us which one. One 11102 723. Yeah, it's not giving us one less one, so there's nothing that I could see for mine. So let's see, security event ID 11102. We get desktop. Subject user ID. Yeah, this is the one's clear, but it's not telling us which one. Basically, it might be because of the event. But 04. Well, I guess if we just copy this right here and we search it up, like how we did right here, we could see that something was deleted. So if we just look up right here, so it says the source type, but we weren't able to get it from there. So it says window event log Microsoft. I think it's this one. So full with a firewall, and we passed it. So yeah, pretty weird because I wasn't able to get the last part through, I guess, the EVTX viewer online, but still pretty cool. But anyway, that's about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.